If you can understand my English with no subtitles, your English is pretty good. Today's story is about this picture and what happened. My friend Donovan and I met in university, and Donovan likes drinking tequila and having a good time. And one day, my friend Emma was going to a party. I was staying at home to sleep, but Donovan asked to join to go to the party with Emma. So Emma and Donovan go to the party together. But then, 2 hours later, I wake up and get a phone call, and Emma is crying. And I ask Emma, "Why are you crying?" And Emma tells me that Donovan has thrown up everywhere from drinking too much. And Emma has a phobia of throw up. Emma fears and feels scared of throwing up and seeing vomit. So Emma's friend, Danielle, goes and gets Donovan. Donovan is running around throwing up everywhere. And Danielle goes and brings Donovan back to the apartment. And Emma goes and hides in the bathroom. I think this picture is so funny because this picture is the first time Danielle and Donovan met. They did not know each other before. But Danielle and Donovan ended up dating 6 months later and became our roommates. Okay, did you understand my English story? If yes, I am so impressed. Tell me what a phobia is, if you understood. What is a phobia? Do you have any phobias? Okay, keep practicing every day. You got this.